Hey everyone, welcome to this Inventor HSM quick tip. Today we're going to look at setting up for a turning part. We'll hit setup. Inside of our setup then, we're going to set to turning or mill turn for the operation type. We'll go down to our model and select. Now inside of our assembly, we're going to find the component that we want to turn. After we select that, we need to set our orientation up. We should also mention that when setting the work coordinate system origin point, we have a few options. We have stock front, stock back, model front, model back, a user selected point, or a chuck front. For our example, we're going to use stock front as our setup point. In this case, we've got a chuck, so I'm going to use my chuck model, pick the selected pieces and parts of the chuck that I need to use as reference. Now I'm going to set an offset from the back of my model face minus 2.5 inches, and that's going to establish the face of the chuck for me. Now I can reference that later. From our work coordinate system, we'll select the X and then reference off of the edge of a part to ensure that our X is determined off of one of our faces. Now we'll set the home position. We'll set our home position as 4 inches away from our part. This will ensure that our turret returns a minimal distance, but still safely away from the part. For turning operations, it's important that you select the correct stock mode. You should focus on fixed size cylinders, relative size cylinders, fixed size tubes, or relative size tubes. Now we can adjust our radial offset, our front side offset, and our back side offset. I'm going to adjust my rounding to the nearest 1/4 inch for my material. Now for our back side offset, we'll set up that 2.5 inches that we referenced. Now we know our stock goes all the way back to the face of our chuck. For our front side offset, I'm going to make this about 50 thousandths of an inch. This will give me plenty of cleanup for when I do my facing operation. We'll double check our settings and we'll select OK. Now we've got a good setup to begin our turning operations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and look for more tips to come.